In this video, I will share with you an awesome PokeMMO strategy on how to make money using Vaporeon to farm Ditto and Johto, Route 47 close to Cianwood City. I found this thanks to Enzo and YoungCabbage. The links will be in the description box. This strategy revolves around using a Vaporeon to farm Ditto in Route 47 in Johto. You can also do this in Hoenn, but I will focus on Johto here. You need a level 80 to 100 Vaporeon with the lonely nature, with the skills Yawn, Payday, Surf, and Waterfall. Vaporeon also needs the ability Water Absorb, so it will heal itself when attacked by enemy Ditto. You also need the EV distribution in the following order to make sure the Ditto does not die to your Payday attack. Attack plus 31 EV, Defense plus 0 EV. The rest are not super important, but having at least plus 10 to 15 EV in speed helps with leveling it to 100. And the bonus EV stats will have 198 to 200 EV in attack, 252 in special attack, and 60 into speed. You can tweak the attack EV values a bit if you have Silk Scarf for more Payday damage. Here is a successful demonstration. You start with Yawn as the first attack, then you use Payday to get the sweet extra money. On the next turn after the enemy Ditto moves, it will fall asleep. Here you can throw balls to capture it. You also need the following items to help you during the run to farm Dittos. Pokeballs for the patient people that don't mind saving some cash at the cost of time. For an almost guaranteed catch rate, it is recommended to use Net Ball, which does very well against water and bug-type Pokemon. You can buy it from the Unova department store after you complete the story. You also want Chesto Berries as a held item to prevent your own Vaporeon from going to sleep from enemy Ditto. You can buy it in bulk, put them on your hotkey area to check how many berries you have left before you need to restock. The investment for this strategy is quite low. At the time of making this video, you need roughly $100,000 to get going if you buy Vaporeon from the global trade link. Here are the parameters you need for easy searching. Once you get one, you just need to level to 100 and teach it Payday. Technically, you can run 6 Vaporeons with this strategy, but I only make one and I keep my Breloom to potentially catch any of the 3 legendary dogs if I do encounter them. This strategy is simple and you can choose to either sell your Dittos in the global trade link for money or keep some to breed for yourself. Occasionally, Payday will crit the Ditto and you lose a few encounters. But that rarely happens. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching.